In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit job application settings on LinkedIn. Let's get started. If you want to tailor your job application settings on LinkedIn to better meet your needs, you'll first need to go to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the sign in page. Here you can choose to sign in using Google for quick access, or you can manually enter your email address and password if you prefer. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your login by sending a code to your phone. Simply follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be directed straight to your LinkedIn profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you want to select Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the sole keys to customizing your LinkedIn experience. Once you've clicked there, you'll notice on the left-hand side a sidebar holding various tabs. From there, locate and click on Data Privacy. Now you're on the right track. Inside the Data Privacy section, find a subsection cleverly named Job Seeking Preferences and select that. Next, you'll see an option labeled Job Application Settings. Click on that to dive deeper into your settings. Now what you'll see here is an array of customizable options. You can enable or disable the toggles, depending on your preference for allowing LinkedIn to save your answers when you apply for jobs. This can speed up the process for future applications, or you can choose to input answers manually each time. Next, you have options to manage your resumes. It's a central hub for your digital job application toolkit. You can upload new resumes, delete old versions, or download resumes you have saved before. Keeping your resume updated and pristine is crucial to catch the eye of potential employers. As you're progressing, one more critical setting to consider is whether you'd like to share your profile with the job poster. You can choose to make your profile available, which provides them more context about your professional history, or opt out if you prefer to maintain a level of privacy until you decide otherwise. There you have it, a clear path through LinkedIn's application settings that keeps you in control of your job seeking journey. With these settings tailored to your preferences, you're well on your way to applying for jobs in a manner that best suits your style and needs. Thanks for watching and happy job searching.